I'm Joe Torre, and this is Baseball Talk. Today we'll talk baseball with Carlton Fisk. In 1969, 22-year-old Carlton Fisk realized the dream that he and thousands of other young New Englanders dreamed. He put on a Red Sox uniform and walked into Fenway Park.
You know, I grew up in a town in New Hampshire that had fewer than 1,000 people in it, and I played fewer than 100 games in my whole amateur career. So walking up that, or down that runway, up those dugout steps to the field, it was more, not that I belong here, but what am I doing here with all the people that played there?
In 1975, the Red Sox faced the Reds in the World Series. Game 6 was tied going to the bottom of the 12th. The first batter was Carlton Fisk.
It was really strange. Fred Lynn was sitting behind me at that time, and I just happened to have a feeling that I was going to hit the ball. I told Freddie, I said, Fred, I'm going to hit the ball off the wall. I'm going to hit a double off the wall, drive me in. He says, that sounds good to me. And then a couple pitches later, the game was over. So it was, you know, I won't say that I was a prophet or anything, but it is one of those feelings where you really had a good feeling about going up to the plate and good things were going to happen.
Carlton's homer brought down the curtain on one of the greatest baseball games ever played. But don't take my word for it.
Pete Rose came up in one of the extra innings, and all he did is he looked back at me and said, isn't this the best game you ever played in? This is great, this is great, this is what baseball's all about. This is the best game we ever played in. I said, it's the best game I ever played. He played in a lot of games up until then, but that was pretty true that I thought it was probably the best game that any of us have ever played in.
Thanks, Carlton. For Baseball Talk, I'm Joe Torre.